Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can unmask elements and groups in your Figma design. If you don't know it, guys, it is very simple. Let us guide you through this. So head over to design on Figma, and as you can see, that canvas here features a mask group. You will see the mask group here in the list of layers to the left. So if you select, for example, the mask group, all elements will be selected. In this case here, a background image and a shape, a rectangle, as you can see. And you will also see the elements that have been part of that mask group here to the left listed below. So to unmask this group and to separate all elements from each other, guys, simply select one of them with your right mouse. Let me go with that rectangle shape, for example, and that is going to open up that menu here. So here simply select the option remove mask or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-M. And there you go. As you can see, now that element has been separated from your image. Now you can, for example, move your image separately and your rectangle or shape just like that. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you unmask on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.